In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background picture in Excel. By the end, you'll know how to place an image on your worksheet, remove its background cleanly, and leave just the part you want to highlight, all using tools built right into Excel. Start by opening your workbook and heading to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Choose Pictures, then pick the image from your computer or online source. When the image appears, make sure it's sitting on top of the grid with sizing handles around it. This tells you the picture is placed over the cells as a movable object, which is exactly what we need. If it isn't selectable or doesn't show handles, it isn't an inserted picture. For this method to work, it must be an actual picture object you can click. Now, click the picture once to select it. When you do, you'll see the Picture Format tab show up on the ribbon. On that tab, find and click Remove Background. Excel will instantly analyze the image and shade what it thinks should be removed in a magenta color. Anything not shaded is what Excel believes you want to keep. You'll also see a selection box with handles around the image that defines the analysis area. Next, make adjustments so the result looks right. First, drag the selection box handles to include the full subject you want to keep. If parts of your subject are shaded magenta, use the Mark Areas to keep tool and draw short strokes on those areas to bring them back. If Excel kept something you don't want, switch to Mark Areas to remove and tap or trace over those regions. Zoom in for precision, especially around hair, soft edges, or detailed logos. Small, deliberate marks typically give the best control. If the automatic result looks rough, try slightly shrinking or expanding the selection box and remarking key edges. You can also use Undo to quickly back out of a mark that didn't help. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Keep Changes. Excel will apply transparency to the removed areas, revealing the cells behind your image while keeping the subject intact. If the result isn't what you expected, select the picture again, choose Remove Background, and refine your marks until you're happy. A quick tip: consider duplicating the picture first so you always have an original to return to. That's it. You've inserted a picture, placed it over the cells, removed its background, fine-tuned the edges, and kept the changes for a polished, professional look right inside Excel.